Next one we're going to be taking a look at is BMXC. This one's got a lot of requests over here. I would like to watch. All right, so I'm trying to get my notes together here and take a look at what we said about this one in the past. On the 11th, the first time we start looking at this one at 0106, I said on watch, looks ready to run. And then look at what happened the next day. Big move up. You guys seen that off of that one. On the 17th, we looked at it again. What did I say? On hold today, possible move tomorrow, on hold. But then again, you know what? I said possible. Said possible for a reason. On the 25th, I put this one on a technical alert, and based on alert, and you guys made a big move off of that actually, all the way up a double, 100% in 2 days. Again, for everybody that watches these videos, know that I do not put stocks on alert for just, you know, throwing it out there. We can go through 65 videos and I only put one stock on alert, sometimes even none. I think I've went 1 day without putting them none on alert, but it all depends really. Then the next time, the 27th, just covering back on what I said, alert technical might have a big run, continue to watch how it trades. That was going to be on the 27th. The next day, you guys had a move up, but it gapped up. I hate that. I say it all the time. I hate those gaps. Look at what happened. You gapped up, and then it came down to fill that and just started losing that momentum and fell back down. Now you guys came down. Hopefully you found that that support. The major support in this one is going to be, I would say, you guys, everybody can draw their line. I'm going to put my major support at the 20-day simple moving average. And let me put that line here. So you guys can see what I'm talking about here. All right, so if you take a look at this purple line I just did, on the 10th, you tap it. On the 11th, you tapped it. You got through it. You sat on it. You pounded it 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive days. You got through it again. You tapped on it again. You see what I'm getting at here, right? You got to sit on it and keep touching it. It's always at main level. Right now, you're at 0190. I am, for now, going to put this one on a hold. Wait for this 10-day simple moving average to creep up. What I mean by that, and for everybody that watches these videos knows what I mean. Let's pretend this is going to be the 10-day simple moving average right here. With it creeping up right there, you're going to be watching for this red candle to bounce off of that once it comes back down there and see if it'll make a move off that. If it can't hold that 10-day simple moving average, you're going to fall down to that main line of support, which is at that 0138 area. 0141. You could draw it as you need to on that. To 20 days, 0134 is actually what this thing has written or has down, but I'm drawing it up a little bit higher at 0141 for that big time support. So again, watch this for this to come bounce off that 10-day. It might need another day today, a consolidation. Watch for it tomorrow to see if it starts moving off of it, if you start seeing those buying coming in. A real quick shout out again to Casino. You did the same thing for VDRM. It was brought to me over here on Investors Hangout that you were sharing this video with everyone. We really do appreciate it. And as I said in the VDRM video, Casino, feel free to reach out to us. I would like to get you a t-shirt from myself and Joe and investorshangout.com for sharing these videos. We really appreciate it. You shared this thing everywhere. So it doesn't go unnoticed, and we do encourage everybody to share these videos, and hopefully the next person will be you. So 0190 on hold, watch for 10-day simple moving average to hold and a bounce off of it. If not, could test major support at 0.0141 right down there. So again, let me go ahead and put this one in here. Put this one on hold for today, 0.0190. And that again is going to be for BMXC. Joe, do you have anything to add on this one?
All right, so they had some news on January 31st. All right, so it's Bemax Incorporated receives new purchase order for 1.1 million deliveries starting in February 2017 to be completed in May 2017. So Bemax Incorporated, can you hear me right now, David?
Yep.
I didn't know if it cut out. It sounded like it cut out on me. All right, so Bemax Incorporated is a growing global distributor of disposable baby diapers. Is pleased to announce that it today has received an 1.1 million purchase order for the supply of its private label disposable baby diaper from an existing client, a major distributor of the disposable diaper in an emerging South and East African markets. So this new purchase order, resulting from the long-term supplier agreement filed on November 16th, 2015, is the first tranche of purchase order in 2015, with Bethel Imports paying for each consignment before shipment by Bemax. Bemax expects to complete the shipment of this order in Q4 2016, which set the company on track to meet its projected revenue for the current fiscal year. Alrighty, so that's the press release right there. And Bemax, they export and distribute disposable diapers from the U.S. to emerging markets in Africa and Europe. They also export our private label brands from manufacturers in Asia and distribute to other growing markets. Bemax focuses on extensive and far-reaching global network among wholesalers, large discount retailers, and supermarkets, as well as entry into e-commerce arena to reach households directly through subscription orders. We focus to supply our clients with disposable baby diapers from manufacturers in North America where quality is superior. Please visit the company website at www.bemaxincorporated. It's like BEMAXINC.com. So that's that. But I mean, there was another press release, like going back on the press releases, like on January 25th, it was Bemax retires 150 million common shares of company stock, reduces issued and outstanding. So I mean, if you go back to that one too, so I mean, they're obviously doing things to get their company's stock in line.
Right. So, hey, again, that is going to be BMXC. And for everybody that's watching this right now, in a few days or whatever the case might be, let us know as far as the technical analysis. Like I said, watch for that bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. Might pull down a little bit off of this level, then bounce off of that. And for everything that Joe just was reading through, you guys noticed that I was basically following along with him. All this information is available over on investorshangout.com, completely free. Once you go to the message board, you can find all these links to company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials. All that is going to be available. The time and sales are a really cool tool. Back in the day when I used to trade, this is something that I used to love with penny stocks. I can come home after a long day of work and sit back and have a glass of wine or whatever the case was and look through the day. Especially if I was up big, I'd like to say, hey, look, I missed this big buy or I missed this big sell. You can see all this stuff for the tape through that day. Again, most sites charge you for this stuff, and this is just a standard feature over here on investorshangout.com. 100% free, unlimited post messages from user to user on the site. Again, as far as the chart goes in BMXC, shout out again to Casino, the user that goes by Casino across the web. It was brought to us, you sharing this video, our previous videos everywhere. We truly, truly appreciate it. Like to get you a t-shirt, and we encourage everybody else to share these videos. Again, that is BMXC, investorshangout.com/live.